Today represents one of the many reasons we love Keller Williams Real Estate. It's Red Day. Every year on Red Day, every KW office in the world closes down so thousands of our agents and staff can donate time, money, and resources. We are humbled to share that many of our agents donate money to KW Cares to support those in need with every closing check they receive. We love our Keller Williams company. Today, we are gathering at the Doylestown Senior Center. Our local seniors had a list of chores for us. We have been planting, gardening, cleaning, painting, and we even added some shiny new barbecue grills for summer cookouts. Red Day brings all the feels, and we are so happy to have had the chance to share our KW culture and give where we live.
One of the reasons I joined Keller Williams is because of their commitment to service. And we do service all year long, but today's a special day.
Red Day is known around the world as a day where everyone with the Keller Williams team takes off to give back to their local communities.